Hi, in this video I will show you how to check the thickness of your 3D design. If you've never done a 3D design, I recommend you to watch our 3D Smile Design tutorial videos or come into our live trainings that happens weekly for our SmileFy members. So if you are also receiving a 3D walks-up from our Smile Design service, this is what you will be finding when you receive it. So moving forward to the cross-section feature, which is where you can find the thickness of your design. Go over here on these drop-down menu and select Mockup and Shells, and then select CAD presets. Then a new tab will appear on the right side. Right over here, you will find cross-section. Okay, so you click here, cross-section, and you turn the cross-section on. Once you turn it on, the software will show two screens. On the left side, we have the mockup with these cross-section slider. Let me turn it for you to see it. And then here on the right side, you have the image from the cross-section slider. If I scroll down on the right side, I can use this slider to move the cross-section around. As you can see here, you can see the changes in real time. Or you can also tap on the tooth over here to jump straight into the tooth that you want to make the measurements. So for example, here on tooth number 9, I want to make the measurements. I want to check the thickness of my design. Just so you know, in green here, we have the original STL. So it's basically a copy of the patient's tooth. So this is the buccal side. And in blue is the 3D design. Down here, we have some commands where you can maneuver the position of your view. So here I want to go very close. And then you will now start the measurement. Over here on the right side, there is a button called measurement. Once it's red, you will turn it on. Then do a measurement going from the surface, the buccal surface of the STL, of the intraoral scan, and another one on the inner side, or on the line actually, of the 3D design. And here you will find out, let me zoom out, we have about 1 millimeter thickness for this design. Well, but what if you want a, let's say like a 0.5 millimeter? What if you want to reduce that thickness a little bit? You simply tap on the tooth, and you will find here there are several arrows, as you can see here, and then I want to push the tooth so that the thickness of my design is slightly thinner. Okay, so I just push it in, and now as you can see here, it kind of like went in, and now the thickness will be much thinner. All right, so I reduced like a half millimeter, so now it's at 0.5. But now, as you can see here, the design here is too close from the incisal edge. And in those cases, if you're doing a dental mock-up, you know that when you're going to prep, let's say if it's for veneers, you know you have to prep a little bit more deeper in this edge in order to have the proper spacing. Okay. So if you want to go ahead and check on the other teeth, you simply move it and you continue with the measurements until you're satisfied. To exit this screen, you simply turn off the cross-section analysis And then here at the bottom, you have different views. And now you can go ahead, tap on CAD preset, and then select the type of export that you want. A composite veneers, which is composite, or a mockup, for example. Right, so thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.